Far too many people these days are dealing with slow heating electric coils, uneven gas flames, or bulky stoves that heat up the entire kitchen without even realizing that a portable induction cooktop can revolutionize their cooking experience in ways they never imagined. Upgrading to a high-performance induction cooktop will transform your culinary precision, speed, and efficiency in ways you didn't know were possible. This is because the best induction cooktops go far beyond simple heating. They deliver instant temperature response, precise wattage control, and professional-grade cooking power in a portable, countertop-friendly design, and we have the top 5 options ready and waiting. But first of all, make sure to use our links because they're going to take you directly to the latest discounts for every product we talk about. Let's go. Number 5, the Nuwave Flex Precision Induction Cooktop. We'll get this show on the road in the precision cooking category with the Nuwave Flex. This model stands out for its exceptional temperature control, offering 45 distinct temperature settings ranging from a gentle 100 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to a powerful 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This level of granularity allows you to perform everything from delicate simmering to high heat searing with absolute confidence. It features a 10.25-inch shatter-proof ceramic glass surface with a 6.5-inch heating coil, and it offers 3 wattage settings at 600, 900, and 1,300 watts, giving you flexibility based on your cooking needs. Finished in sleek black, this cooktop is for the home chef who prioritizes precise temperature management and wants the versatility to cook a wide variety of dishes with professional-level control. Number 4, the ChangBERT Induction Cooktop, commercial-grade portable cooker. Now, stepping into the commercial-grade arena, we have the ChangBERT Induction Cooktop. This model is built with durability and professional performance at its core, featuring an NSF certification that speaks to its quality and safety standards for commercial use. It boasts a large 8-inch heating coil, which provides more even heat distribution across larger pans compared to smaller coils. The housing is premium stainless steel, designed to withstand heavy daily use in demanding environments. With a powerful 1,800 watts and a 10-hour programmable timer, this cooktop is ideal for catering, food trucks, or serious home cooks who want commercial reliability. For those who need a robust, high-performance hot plate that can handle continuous use and large cookware, the ChangBERT is a professional-grade workhorse. Moving to number 3, the Duxtop Portable Induction Cooktop Burner, Silver 9600LS/BT-200DZ. This Duxtop model brings advanced technology and user-friendly controls to the forefront. It features an LCD sensor touch interface that makes selecting and monitoring your cooking settings intuitive and precise. Like many top contenders, it delivers a powerful 1,800 watts of induction heating for fast boiling and precise cooking. Its sleek silver design fits seamlessly into any modern kitchen aesthetic. The sensor touch controls allow for effortless adjustments, and the LCD screen provides clear feedback on temperature, power level, and timer settings. For the tech-savvy home cook who appreciates a clean, modern interface and wants the precision of touch control combined with reliable Duxtop engineering, this silver model is an outstanding choice. Now at number 2, the Duxtop 1,800-watt portable induction cooktop countertop burner, Gold 8100MC/BT-180G3. This model elevates the Duxtop lineup with a stunning aesthetic twist, featuring a beautiful gold finish that adds a touch of luxury to any countertop. Beyond its looks, it delivers the same trusted 1,800 watts of power that Duxtop is known for, ensuring rapid heating and precise cooking control. It's designed for efficiency and portability, making it perfect for everything from everyday meal prep to buffet-style entertaining where an extra burner is needed. The Gold 8100MC model combines high-performance induction technology with eye-catching design. For the home chef who wants their appliances to make a style statement as bold as their cooking, without compromising on power and reliability, this Duxtop Gold Edition is a perfect blend of form and function. And finally, our number 1 pick, the Nuwave Pro Chef Induction Cooktop NSF-certified. This model claims the top spot as the most advanced and versatile induction cooktop on our list, truly deserving of its Pro Chef designation. It's NSF certified, confirming its commercial-grade construction and performance standards. It packs a powerful 1,800 watts and features a large 8-inch heating coil for excellent heat distribution across a variety of cookware sizes. Where it truly excels is its incredible temperature range, offering 94 precise settings from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to a scorching 575 degrees Fahrenheit, adjustable in 5-degree increments. This level of control is unparalleled, allowing you to execute the most delicate sauces or achieve the perfect sear on a steak with scientific precision. The shatter-proof ceramic glass surface adds durability and easy cleanup. For the passionate home chef, culinary enthusiast, or even light commercial user who demands the ultimate in temperature precision, power, and build quality, the Nuwave Pro Chef Induction Cooktop stands alone as the definitive professional-grade choice. There you have it, the top 5 induction cooktops on Amazon that are transforming kitchens with speed, precision, and style. From the beautifully designed gold statement piece to the professional-grade temperature control champion, one of these is the perfect upgrade for your cooking space. Remember to check the links below for the best available deals. It's time to leave slow, inefficient cooking behind and embrace the future of precise, powerful, and portable induction technology. Thanks for watching.